Hi, this is Ben. I'm going to show you how to make a Formula 5. Number 1, fold it in half. Right to that corner, same right. Do you do that? Get your scissors. Cut a little bit. And then fold it up till you can almost not fold it again. And then fold both ends down. After you do that, fold it here, that way. Now you fold this part all the way. If you can't quite reach the very bottom, you'll have to. On the other side. Then for this part, all the way the same as the other line. For this part, same as the other one, same as the last one. Okay, after you do that, fold this part all the way to the end of the back. Now, fold this end all the way down to the last back one. Same thing on the other side. Don't forget to take this part off. Then open it. You're in like this. Now fold this part all the way to the end. They cannot fold it anymore. And fold it on the other side too. Of the thing. Then push this down. Now he'll be able to flop his wings. And that's how you make a Formula 5 plane.